Imagine you're performing routine maintenance on your car, and upon inspecting the spark plugs, you notice they're coated with oil. This discovery is more than just a minor inconvenience. It can lead to significant engine problems if not addressed promptly. Let's explore why this happens and how to resolve it. Spark plugs are vital for igniting the fuel-air mixture in your engine's cylinders. Leaking valve cover gasket. The valve cover gasket seals the top of the engine, preventing oil from leaking out. Over time, this gasket can deteriorate due to heat and pressure, allowing oil to seep into the spark plug wells. This is a common cause of oil on spark plugs. Worn or damaged piston rings. Piston rings are designed to seal the combustion chamber and regulate oil consumption. Faulty O-ring seals. O-ring seals prevent oil from leaking into areas where it shouldn't, such as the spark plug wells. When these seals fail, oil can seep onto the spark plugs, causing contamination. Malfunctioning positive crankcase ventilation, or PCV, valve. The PCV valve regulates pressure and removes gases from the crankcase. A clogged or faulty PCV valve can cause pressure buildup, leading to oil leaks that may reach the spark plugs. Identify the source of the leak. Begin by inspecting the valve cover gasket for signs of wear or damage. Look for oil around the gasket area, which indicates a leak. Replace faulty components. Valve cover gasket. If the gasket is leaking, replace it promptly to prevent further oil seepage. Clean or replace spark plugs. After addressing the root cause, clean the oil-fouled spark plugs or replace them if they're severely contaminated. Conclusion. Discovering oil on your spark plugs is a serious matter that requires immediate attention. By understanding the potential causes and implementing the appropriate fixes, you can maintain your engine's performance and longevity. If you're uncomfortable performing these repairs yourself, consult a professional mechanic to ensure the job is done correctly.